what goes on with this camera. It's doing some automatic feature and I don't know if I can program about it. My problem is there's this post here is right in the way when I'm trying to get the camera in. And now it looks like she's in a little bit different. I don't know if I hold my couple, I don't know. I was looking for a welding helmet. I don't know if you can really. A little bit of different flame. It's at a different percentage. Oh, that looks wicked today, man. You want to learn how to draw flames? Sit here and watch that for a while. I don't know how that's coming out. It's mesmerizing, man. You can see the floor in there. Cool, ain't it? I hope that comes out. Haven't had my first cup of coffee yet. Sorry about that. We'll go up here to boiler 2. This one's configured a little different. You've seen it before, but let's go up there and take a gander. The fire eye on these is on the side of the boiler instead of the back. Excuse me. That first one gives a lot better example. I go a little farther down. That number 1 boiler better for looking at the fire eye. So this is boiler 2. It's at 160 pounds, and the flame signal, we got 4 burners on this one instead of one giant one. It's the same steam output. Look at it from the back side of the flame. See that blue color. So on this one there's a big fan on the roof, and it's providing the combustion air. Let's see if number 3 is being fired. Some of the guys are at work, so I'm gonna run you down low. I'll turn you back on. Find my well-seasoned coffee cup. Woohoo! My buddy Larry. Okay, now this boiler, this is number 3. This is an older boiler, and let's see if it's on here. Oh yeah. Doggone it, I didn't bring the hot dogs. Hey Larry! You want to be on YouTube? No. No? Did you bring the hot dogs?
Yes.
So we can roast them?
Yeah.
All right.
Stick your hand in there first.
I brought the bones. Yeah. We'll have to find a coat hanger now, huh?
Yeah.
Larry's a good guy. He's about ready to retire too. Yeah, this one kind of looks like a lazy flame, doesn't it? So you got these fire eyes. Now here's a little farther back in the box. This boiler was built in place in 1964, according to the nameplate. And these are what they call water tube boilers. There's fire tube, and then there's water tube. And that means that there's tubes, those tubes that you see, you can't see them from here. Let's go back to this other one. We're on the other side of the boiler now. Okay, see those tubes? I hope that comes out. Those, they're just side by side all the way around. And this is the mud drum on the bottom, and the steam drum's up there on top. Here's a blueprint of a boiler. Now you can see here's that mud drum on the bottom. Here's the steam drum on top. This is a real old-fashioned style drawing, and that's kind of the fun of working in these old plants. Is there's a lot of this old stuff around. I mean, we framed this one.